Yun nga yung nakakatuwa about life, 'di ba? Sometimes, meron kang vision and meron kang plano pero hindi yun yung nangyayari. Dun mo gustong pumunta, dun mo gusto ang ending pero hindi yun yung nangyayari. Because, sa buhay naman natin, and in every day that we live and in every day that we breathe and in everything that we are experiencing in life right now, may it be good or bad, one way or another, we deserve it eh. And why deserve? Because we have to look at the bright side of things all the time. May tinuturo sa atin si Lord sa journey na to. Minsan, di ba, parang we question all the hardships, all the struggles in life. We question why. Lord, bakit ako? Bakit mabait naman akong tao? Bakit nangyayari sa akin to? And then, just trust the process. Kasi at the end of that, at the end of those dark times, marirealize mo na, ay, kaya pala. Kaya pala nangyari sa buhay ko yun. Kasi ito yung rason. And ito yung mangyayari sa akin. And in every hardships that we go through, always trust that that's made for you to become stronger. Para palakasin ka of the storms that's ahead. And hindi natatapos yan. It's a cycle. Yun nga yung nakakatuwa about life, 'di ba?